Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be sharing this brand that reached out to me. Now, if you guys know, I'm into graphic tees, graphic things, anything with some quotes I normally like. So they reached out to me to showcase some of their bags. Now, the packaging just came in my PO box in a regular package. They didn't give anything with their name on it, but I'll leave the name. It's Whisk, basically like a whisk. Well, it's not the same whisk, but anyway, WISKF. I don't know how to properly pronounce it, but I'll leave the name down below on the screen, somewhere here. That's a reminder for myself. But anyway, let me get into the 5 bags that I got. They all came in a plastic wrapping, like so. So to be really honest with you guys, I don't remember which ones I selected. So it's kind of like me. It's like a new. We're opening it together, if you will, because I honestly don't remember the ones that I selected. It's been a minute since I got them, but basically they let me select 5 different bags from their lines of different bags. So as you guys can see, like I said, it's in a clear packaging. So let me go ahead and open the first one. And to be really honest with you guys, I'm not going to keep all these bags for myself. I will actually give some of these bags away to my family members, like my aunts, my grandma, and stuff like that. My mom. I'm not going to keep all these for myself. So I kind of also chose the bags with that in mind as well. But anyway, so the first one I have, it says, all you need is love and more coffee. This one I might save for myself because I do like coffee. So yeah. Like I said, it's a nice tote bag you can take. You can take this grocery shopping, but personally I would probably take this like if I'm going traveling to the beach or something like that. This would be a good bag to just carry, like a towel and your essentials that you need. Okay, the next bag, let's get into it. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out where the opening for this one is. Okay, so the next bag says on here, let's see, be a light to the world. That's what it says. As you guys can see, it has some jars on it. I don't know if you guys saw that. And yeah, be a light to the world. The next one is more like kid themed, I would say. Okay, the next one, maybe I'll keep this one for myself. You see, I'm so indecisive. This one's a little smaller, which is good because it's more compact if you want something small and quick to go outside with. And I have a similar like painting or picture. I wouldn't say painting. It's more of like a, well, it looks like it is a painting in a sense, but it's not in a canvas. Anyway, that's not the point. I have something very similar like this on my wall. So yeah, it's just like a woman with flowers and butterflies around it. Okay, the next one that I got was, oh, sorry. Everyone, I think I got a lot of them in mind for myself. Okay, this one I'm definitely keeping for myself. Because nobody else has an A in my family, so this one I gotta keep for myself. It says it has an A with flowers, and my first name starts with is Abigail. So yeah, this one is definitely one I'm gonna keep for myself. I think the other ones I'll give away. And I haven't been saying anything about the material, but so far I like the material. It seems pretty sturdy. Just like your typical like bags that you would bring, you get from sometimes the grocery store. It's pretty much similar to that. That's the best way I can describe it. I have a similar tote bag like this. It's not a grocery store one, but it's not, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know, but it's a good one. I feel like this is a good size if you're like going on an errand or something. This would be pretty good too. Like you're just going out. Like I could definitely see this actually. I know I said the first one I think, but I think I definitely could see I am gonna travel later this year. So I can definitely see me carrying this. This is a good size bag. It's not too big in terms of like the Be a Light to the World. That one's bigger. This one is really small and compact. So like if I just need to carry my few items like wallet, my camera and stuff like that, everything can fit and it's small and compact. It's not as big as the other one. And I can just put it over my shoulders. So now, if I'm not mistaken, I think this bag comes in different type of colors too. I know they had other letters. I don't remember if it was all the letters of the alphabet, but I think it was. But I know for sure I think I have all the links to everyone that I'm showing you guys now, so I will leave them linked down below because or that you guys, if anybody's interested. But I know for sure they have other letters like this. So yeah, the last bag. Also another small one. This one is kind of gives me like graffiti art vibes, because the top has like graffiti looking. It says love on it, and then it's just a black woman. You know, I'm all about that, so I got this one as well. I thought this one was really pretty. Alright, so let me give my final thought. I like the material. I think it's really good material, that it's sturdy, that it will last for a good time. That's number one. Number two, I like these for sure. These sizing. So when I initially like saw the bag, I thought they were all going to be the same size, but I'm kind of happy that they're all not. These three as opposed to these are smaller and lightweight, so I think these are definitely good for, like I said, traveling, or if you're going on an errand. This is a perfect bag. You can just put your wallet and your few items. There's nothing too crazy. Now this, I would say these are the type of bags you would probably bring if you're carrying a lot of stuff, whether it's like I said, like a beach towel or stuff like that. Granted, you could definitely put a beach towel in this too, because it's not that heavy. Like it's a towel that you can probably put in these type of bags. These are more like square shaped bags, really smaller and compact, and then these are more like rectangular bags. And I'm trying to figure out which one. So the A I'm definitely keeping for myself, but like because I have so many tote bags, like I said, I think I'm just gonna give each one, because I have like four. Yeah, I definitely have 4 ladies I can give it to. So I'll give the other ones, I'll figure it out, or I'll just ask them which ones they want and give them that. But the A I'm definitely gonna keep for myself because I'm the only one who has an A. So, but the other 4 I'll give them away to family members, because sharing is caring. But that concludes this video. Like I said, I really like these bags. If you guys are interested in this, I'm pretty much giving this company free promo. I like to, you know, shout out small brands when I can. So like I'm not getting any payment for this video or anything of that sort. No discount code, none of that. But oh yeah, another thing I forgot to say, talking about discount codes, they're pretty much, when I saw their prices, they're pretty affordable, so they're not expensive bags from what I saw. I can't remember the exact prices. I will try to link the prices down below as I go back and edit this video so that you guys can see, but I know for sure it wasn't like some overpriced bag, especially for all these patterns, which I think that was great. But anyway, I'm going to end this video here. Make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, you hit the notification bell, next subscribe button so you're notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.